Welcome to the lab of our very own mad scientist. I love saying that. I haven't said that in a while.
I know you do. But today's experiment is actually a lot of fun. In honor of Mac's little trip to Tiffendal, we are going to be making fake snow. And it even feels cold. Have a touch.
It actually does.
It actually does feel cold, hey? So, this experiment makes use of a little something known as a polymer. And I'm just quickly going to explain what polymers are. Now, you know what train tracks look like. They're just sequence after sequence, equal distance of sleepers running. Now, a polymer is actually different molecules which are strung up together in a sequence, but they repeat themselves over and over again to make really long lines. And if you're looking for the closest example to a polymer, look no further than, well, all of you, because your DNA is in fact a polymer. Just the same compounds repeating themselves over and over and over again in a sequence that just keeps on running and running. Now, some examples of polymers can be found in your DNA. They can also be found in rubbers, in resins, and they can also be found in the Perspex blocks upon which our experiment stands today, because plastic is also a polymer. So to do today's experiment, you need to get a fake snow experiment kit from a shop that stocks these kind of supplies, or you can go to a toy shop as well, they do have them too. And you're going to need some water. And it's actually quite simple how this experiment works. The polymer, which is currently in powder form, actually just absorbs the water and it grows. And that's actually quite fun to watch. So we're going to put quite a bit of this in here. And then all we need to do is add some water and we're just going to watch it grow. Let's see what happens.
Whoa!
I know, it is quite fun, isn't it?
This is
and actually, the more water you add, the more your polymer should grow. So you just keep adding and adding, and it's going to keep on drying and growing, and so it goes. Now, you can actually create your own fake snow. There are special crystals that you can find in gardening centers. What are you doing? And also at certain supply shops, you can also find crystals that'll grow once you add water to them. Now, the really fun thing about this experiment is you can take this particular fake snow and you can put it into a Ziploc bag, you can freeze it, take it out, and put some salt on top of it once it's frozen, and it'll actually start to expel the water again, and it'll go back to powder form, which means the snow is reusable.
So you can use it. How many times though?
Probably quite a few times before it starts to affect the chemical composition.
Wow.
But it's actually quite fun.
You've heard of the rain god, or the rain queen in the Limpopo? Clearly you're Western Province's snow queen.
Oh my gosh, yes.